Okay, it's early in the morning, and I'm going to be going over to my studio as soon as I stop at the post office and open up this box I got yesterday from Trent, a gentleman that is commissioning me to do some Indian busts to fit on light fixtures and door handles. He's an artist himself, and a while back, about a month ago, he commissioned me to create some stuff for him that he can produce on these artistic light fixtures, and I'm just all too happy to do it. So I'll do my rounds and pick it up at the studio. Well, it's a beautiful morning. The last 2 days is the first time I've had my heat off in my house, which is really nice because heat is very expensive when it's electricity. Beautiful. Just a little overcast, that's all. Late last night it was about 50 degrees, which is just so pleasant to see instead of in the 20s. Alright, I've got the box opened. It's just a matter of getting everything out of it. I hope I can pack this as well as he packed it. That's the only thing that scares me is repacking. You hear music, it's from next door. They grow medical marijuana. And I'm surrounded by it. And it stinks. And they like their music. So I gotta put up with it. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna sculpt on this ball. Well, you can see it's got a crystal ball, beautiful ball. And I guess I take this feather off that he sculpted. And then this long crystal here that goes at the bottom. I'll be doing 2 door handles, and they'll both have these crystals. He gets these from South America or someplace. I'm not sure where, but I mean, they're just beautiful. All right, I got instructions in the envelope that was inside the box, so I will still email him and discuss things, but I think the instructions look pretty straightforward. He'd like to have my couple, see, what he wants is a man and a woman bust facing each other on the top of the door handle. And so that's not going to be a difficult thing. He's just outlining how much of them he'd like to have on there, just using my couple as an example. All right, that's going to be it for the week and for the weekend. And I will be recoloring the bronze that I recolored next week, because we had a few things that we needed to get right for the client, and so that's what we're going to do next Thursday, or this coming Thursday. All right, have a great weekend. All right, it's Monday morning, and I'm heading over to my studio. Got to go to the foundry today and do some busy work over there, and then I'm going to go visit a friend that's not feeling too good, and it's just not worth videoing. I'm just going to pop in my studio, grab the paperwork that came with the commission work that I'm going to do on this door handle, and take a look at and try to figure out some way tonight of mounting this thing tomorrow round it in such a way that I can sculpt on it, and well, just so that I can work on it without taking everything apart, which I don't want to do, which I probably shouldn't do. But I'm really anxious to get started. It's just getting started. It's the hard part because I've got so many things pulling on me right now. Beautiful day. On. And I'm just trying to figure out what he wants me to do. I'm going to send him an email tonight. Alright, now I got to run to the foundry, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Whoop, gotta get my seatbelt. Alright.